what next month is. Competition season. And that means I need to start practicing my competition hair because I haven't done it since like early April and it's late July. I can't remember how to do it, so y'all are gonna do it with me. Here's the products I'll be using. My hairbrush. Fuck. This gel I've had since 2024. God, it smells like Pre-Team. I'm in gold. This glitter, this hair glitter I've never actually used. Hair ties. Walmart brand hairspray. That works so well, bro. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna like start by getting the shape of the pony or the bun. I think I want it like there. And we're gonna start like bringing everything back. I do want to keep the part because last year my mom did my hair and she didn't keep the part. But yeah, I looked like an egg. That shit looks so goofy. Never mind, I forgot to put the gel in. We're gonna do that now. Oh my gosh. This is taking me back to those cold mornings. Those cold 5 a.m. morning drives. Anyways. Normally I spray my hair with water, but I can't find my spray bottle. I'm 90% sure my little sister has it. Okay, I'm gonna put my gel in. Here's my hair after it's gelled and ponytailed. It's a little bumpy because I still have to like comb it. That's what it looks like. Back. Okay, I finished the bun. Here's the front, top, the front, right, left, back, top of the back, bottom. Yeah. I don't know whether to do hair glitter or not, but yeah.